Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Today I am going to do an unboxing of a canvas that I bought from Michaels. It is the Make Market canvas, but before I open it, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. So I took a little trip to Michael's yesterday, or day before yesterday, and I just wanted to see what all they did have, because I seen some kits that actually came with a resin pen with it, and I wanted to see what they look like. Well, they're nice, but it's not what I thought it was going to be. But they did have a few Christmas canvases. I couldn't find any of their Halloween canvases, so I'm assuming they were sold out. But I did find a Christmas one. So on the back of their box, it shows their contents, and then it's just kind of like a step-by-step on how to do the diamond painting. They've got a really nice box, though. They really do. Alright, so let's get into this. Now, I can't remember if I have any Make Market or not. I don't think I do. I have their older kits, but I don't think I've bought one of their Make Markets. And it may be the same thing. They just changed the name. I don't know. I think they rebranded. I'm not sure. If y'all know, just drop it down in the comments, because I am not sure at all. Alright, so this is a round poured glue. And this canvas is kind of thick. It's like a, well, it feels like a canvas. So I'm going to roll it back a little bit just so it will lay kind of flat. I mean, it's sort of, it's not stiff, but it's a stiffer than if this was cloth, I guess you could say. So this is the image, and inside the box, you're going to get the step-by-step instructions with pictures, okay? Then you're going to get your bag of drills, which are, oh, this is a square. I thought this was a round. Okay. Okay. Well, that's a little bit of a surprise. We'll look at them here in a second. So, in their toolkit, it is red. And you get a bag. These are actually really nice bags. Probably about 10 in there. And then you get this caddy of wax. What does that say? Peel off. Okay. So you get 2 round things of pink wax. That's funny. Alright. And then you get the standard little single placer pen with a grippy on it, and you can see it is in red. And this is a Mospa knockoff tray with the spout, and that's it. No multi-placers or anything. So it's just a kind of generic toolkit, I guess. It's better than the green boat, but not by much. Alright, so here are the drills. And it looks like, let's look. Wasn't gonna open them, but I'm gonna go ahead and look anyway. Alright. Now, the canvas number, item number, is on the bags, and it does correspond with the number on the canvas. So if you're like me and you put your drills in a separate place than your canvas, then you'll know that this canvas, or these drills, go with that canvas. Now, it looks like we are going to have some static. So, the best thing that I have found, and I've been doing this for a while, I've tried everything. So, the best thing that I have found for static is just get you a dryer sheet. It doesn't matter what brand, what fragrance, it doesn't matter. Just some dryer sheets. You can get the cheapest of the cheap or the most expensive. It does not matter. Cut them up in squares. Stick them in, if you work out of your bags, or if they're in baggies, or if you put them in containers, just drop a couple of the squares of dryer sheet in whatever. Shake it up. That's all you got to do is shake it up just a little bit, and it will get rid of your static. So, I don't think there's anything special to any of these drills as far as, I don't think there's any special shapes or ABs or anything with this. And I could be wrong, but I don't think so. So far, they all look normal. But I am surprised with the square. I really thought it was a round. So we've got 5 bags of 5,200. So you know that's going to be the snow. So yeah. There are no specials. Or, I keep saying specials. There are no ABs in this kit. Alright, I'm going to pause, put these back up. Okay, so I got those back in there best I could. So I'm going to bring y'all down, and then that way you can look at the drill field, which is extremely clear. Now this has got 45 colors. They do have numbers, letters, and symbols. And it looks like they're starting with the letters first, which is odd because most of the time you see the numbers, then letters and symbols. But this is going with letters, then numbers, and then some symbols, which they're just the normal symbols that we see in everything. It is DMC charted, so I don't see anything weird or odd about that. I was just looking to make sure that there wasn't anything to be concerned with. All right. The plastic is really thick. Good stick. And it is serrated, but not serged. Is serged the hose? I think so. But anyway, I don't think that this is going to unravel, or come apart anyway. It might. I don't know. I shouldn't say things. So anyway, this was in with the Christmas kits. And I liked it because y'all, if you've been following me, you know I like to do miniature houses. And that's just what this kind of put me in mind of. Now, there was some with dogs. They had some with cats. They had Santa Clauses, fireplaces, Christmas trees, gnomes. And y'all, I did not get the gnome. Can you believe that? I had it in my hand. And then I seen this. And then I was like, And I put the gnome up. And I got this one. Shocking, right? Only because I love gnomes. I have got tons and tons and tons of gnomes. So anyway, I think this is going to be really cute. And it is a full drill. This is not a partial. This is a full drill. And it was only like $14 and something. So you got Santa Claus here. You got you a Christmas tree. He's going down the sidewalk. This one is a coffee shop. can't tell if they... Well, it looks like these are just houses, and then you got a coffee shop. But it's still kind of cool. Kind of looks like maybe like the streets of, what, New York or something. Some of those shows that are in the big city that they show on TV that has the houses right beside each other. Like in, what is it, Brooklyn, or there's some different places. But that's the first place that I always think of when I see houses like this in a row. We got them here in Kentucky too, but not very many. And they sure as heck don't look this nice, not in my town. So, anyway, so yeah, what do y'all think about this kit? I think it's going to be really cute when it's finished. Now, I may or may not get this done this year, but if not, there's always next year. And y'all, I am not one of those that will only do Christmas kits during the holidays. I'll pull this sucker out. I'll do a Santa Claus in May. It don't matter to me. If I want to do a kit, I do a kit. So, all right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a short video, but I just wanted to show y'all this one so that you could see what, what it looks like up close. If you have seen them in Michael's and just wondered what it would look like. And I'm not sure, well, this is a 40 by 50, okay? Or 16 by 20 if you go by inches. I've gotten now to where I don't even go by inches anymore. I use centimeters when I measure. So, anyway. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Check out my description box. I always have the Facebook group in my description box, the link to it, of Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. I have all of the events that we are doing from the beginning of the year to the end of the year. I do delete the ones we've already done, but if you look in my description box, you'll be able to see what event we're doing right now, which is October, and then the events for next month, which is November, and then we don't do one in December, but we use December as, I guess you could say, a catch-up month. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and give me a like, a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.